In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix keyboard shift key not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive into the steps. So the very first step that you need to do is here at the button search bar, type for control panel. Once done, please proceed to the best matched and click on the open option to continue. So from here at the control panel, change the view into large icons. If your window doesn't look like this, proceed to the upper right side of that. You can see their view by go with large icons. Once done, locate with the ease of access center, which is in my case being placed at the fourth row next to credential manager. Click on it. And in that way, you would be able to explore all settings under the ease of access center, navigate to make the keyboard easier to use. So from here, the one of the factor why you face an error, which is your shift key is not working, is that you have turned this on, which are these mouse keys, the sticky keys, the toggle keys. So it is very important, or it is very crucial to uncheck the turn on mouse keys and check it, the turn on sticky keys and check it to disable the turn on toggle keys and check it as well. Okay, and as well as the turn on filter keys. Once done, click on apply and then okay. And try to press your shift key to the keyboard and check if it's working this time. However, if not, then we need to move on to our second and last step, and that is here at the start icon. Please make a right click, scroll up, and go with the device manager. So here at the device manager, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the option called keyboards, make a right click, go with I mean, click this forward arrow first, select your keyboard, make a right click, and go with update driver. It will ask you to choose two options, go with search automatically for drivers, and if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click this forward arrow and select for browse my computer for drivers manually and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And since we're rolling back the driver, all you need to do is you need to select on the model or the compatible hardware that is being set here and go with next to install it. Once you have installed it, restart your machine and check if your shift key is not working. I'm sure it will be solved. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.